Hello, and thank you for joining me. Today we're talking about the C major scale. I'll go ahead and dive right in. The C major scale. C major is one of the most widely used scales and widely used keys to play in. It is a natural extension of the 5-finger scale that we have already discussed in this playlist. The scale has 7 notes in it, and for this exercise we will be playing 8 notes total because we will repeat C an octave higher. Let me break down the right hand for you. Thumb on middle C, and we'll start by playing at the first 3 fingers on our right hand. Alright, after we get to our middle finger, we're going to bring our thumb under to play F, and then play the rest of our 5 fingers. And then on the way down, it's the reverse. We're going to get to our thumb on F, and we're going to bring our middle finger over to play the rest of the scale. It's important to play with as little tension as possible, especially when you're bringing your thumb under, like this. Stay in a relaxed hand position when you do this. You want to avoid injuring your wrist. Okay, so the left hand is sort of a mirror to the right hand. We're going to start with our pinky on C, an octave below middle C. And with our left hand, we're going to play all 5 fingers first. When we get to our thumb, we're going to bring our middle finger over to finish the scale. And then you do the opposite on the way down. Then bring your thumb under. Alright, so you'll want to practice those hands separately, and when you're feeling more confident, try bringing the hands together and play the scale at the same time. The challenge will be the fact that your hands pass the thumb under or middle finger over at different notes. So practice slowly. Reminder that our finger numbers start with our thumbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Please subscribe. Check out my website. There's a free sheet music library, or if you're looking to sign up for lessons, you can do that too. And I'll see you next time.